Hi folks, today I'm going to show you the new EE Smart Wi-Fi bundle, which comprises of the EE Smart Router, which I'll show you in a second, and also a 4G EE hotspot device, which hasn't yet arrived. They sent me the SIM card for this, and it said on the packet, here's the SIM card, it said on the packet, this it said the hotspot thing is in the bag with this. It's not. It gets sent later on for some reason. I don't know why. There's your paperwork. Welcome to a new, more intelligent kind of broadband. Smart Wi-Fi gives you a strong broadband connection all over your home with backup from the UK's #1 network wherever you need it. Well, if you believe all this marketing stuff, you'll believe anything. I mean, I'm sure mesh Wi-Fi does work. Because my friend who's a network engineer, my friend John is a network engineer, said it's really good. So we'll see. I'll take his word for it, but I'm not sure about these marketing people. Anyway, you get a smart Wi-Fi disc. The other side of the box there. Freeze frame if you want the details. You know the score. And a smart router here. I'm not sure if I mentioned a second ago, but anyway, the hotspot device, the battery-powered hotspot, comes with 2 gig preloaded. And if you have a fault or downtime on your broadband, they load it with up to 250 gigs of free data, should there be a fault at exchange or whatever. So you've got seamless connection. That's the plan anyway. Brand new router. Just came out, is officially announced on the 25th or 26th of June, I think the 25th. I think this may be inside a similar router to what EE have had. Sorry, to what BT have had, because BT, of course, are the parent company now of EE. It may be the same router inside, I'm not sure. I haven't got my investigating specs on yet. This is the EE Smart Router, brand new device. Thankfully, from what I could see online, this is not as hideously designed as the BT version. Theirs has got a big circle in the front, about this size. It looks horrible, in my humble opinion. So here we go. Here is the EE. I keep thinking to say BT. It's not EE Smart Router. This is the first time I've opened it, so you're getting to see it at the same time as me. There we go. It's quite nice actually. I like the white front. It's like a sort of dimpled. You can see at the front. It's a very dimpled sort of surface texture. It's plastic. It's sort of matte plastic with a sort of dimpled texture. That's a light, not a button. That's just an indicator light. On the back, you've got 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, so USB port, power, factory reset, power switch, power jack, your Wi-Fi credentials card, plastic slide out card. What's that there? Oh dear. People are still using WPS. That's a drastic sign, isn't it? WPS is an awful security risk, I hear from various sources. Anyway, that's the router, smart router box itself. Has it got a self? My grammar tonight is not perfect. There is the one part of the power adapter. There's all the details for those that want them. People like me who are pedants who want every piece of information. There you go. I'm pretty sure I'm the only person on YouTube who's filmed this router yet. So there's the stand, the clip-on stand that clips on the bottom of the smart router. Look at this, look. It says, it's here. Oops. Our smartest router yet. Time will tell. Never believe marketing people. Time will tell. We shall see. If it's anything like the smart hub that came before it, I'm not quite sure if I believe their marketing. That clips on there, you see. I'm not going to clip it on yet because I'm not going to ready to set it up yet. There we go. That. Got a nice black microfilter. Never seen a black one before, but it's just plastic colour. It's just the colour of some plastic, so it doesn't matter, does it? Ethernet cable. Ethernet, Etherway is fine by me. Phone jack cable, and the mains plug section of the power adapter, which I now have to work out how to get back in the box. I think it's just like that. Yeah, there we go. No, not quite. There we go. It's back in there. I also make these boxes more easy to repack. Anyway, put those back in there. So that's this router apparently has got a built-in circuitry for communicating with the mesh discs, one of which you get with the kit. I'm about to show you that now. I'll figure out how to get this back in the box. You know what? Who knows? I'll do it later. Doesn't matter, do you? You don't want to spend your time watching me repacking a router, do you? That's near enough. Let's get this out of the way. Exit stage right. And this is the EE Smart Wi-Fi Disc. Promises, promises. Apparently, I'm very late to this. I'm very late to this mesh networking party. Apparently, this mesh Wi-Fi is the new thing. It's really, really good. Welcome. Let's have a look inside there. Yeah. Most likely a very poorly worded instruction manual. I find with EE instructions,